This side from Learn and Grow channel. Today we are going to discuss if statement in Python. So what is if statement, or we can say conditional statement? So conditional statement, we can compare like there comes some situation in life when we will need to make some decision, and based on these decision we decide further what we need to do next. Similar situation arise in programming also, like if some particular condition is giving us true or false, or that condition is happening, on the basis of that condition, we take the decision to execute our code. So in Python, what conditional statement we have? First is our simple if statement. Okay, so what is simple if statement? We can say, okay, let me read it for you. Here condition after evaluation will be either true or false. If statement accept boolean value also, if value is true, then it will execute. Okay, let me explain this with be practical. 1 second. So the syntax of simple if then else is like this. If condition, then do this. This is syntax for this if. Let me take one example. Suppose if this is a condition, if true, this will be always true. Then print I will always evaluate. So you see, this is true, then I will always evaluate. I will always evaluate. Or we can take one more example. Suppose I take a m as a variable int. I'm typecasting it to integer. Please enter a number. From user, I'm taking the number. Please enter a number. Okay. And then after taking number, I'm checking whether number is greater than 10 or not. Print if number is greater than 10, then a number is greater than 10. Okay, let me execute it. What happened? Please enter. Please enter number. Okay. I forgot to enter input here. Input. Now it's okay. Please enter a number. If I enter 15, and if number is greater than 10, then print number is greater than. It is simple if statement. So if statement evaluate this condition, we can enclose this in bracket also for more clarity. Then this block of code will execute. Very simple, nothing complex. Then we have if-else statement. So if-else statement syntax is like, so if condition, then this block will execute, else this will execute. So I can say the if statement alone tell us if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statement. But if the condition is false, then it will not execute. But what if I want to take some action when the if condition is not true? So in this case, else come in picture. So if I take the input from a user, m a number, m is a number. If condition, I can enter if m is greater than 15. Okay, I want to execute. If m is less than 15, then I can write it print m is smaller than 15, and I can write here print I am in if block. Else means if m is greater than 15, then here we will execute these two statement. M is greater than, and I am in else block. So if this condition is true, then this action will be taken. Otherwise, the part in else block will execute. Okay, let me execute it. Enter a number 15. So this condition is there. Okay, because 15 is not less than 15. So this is here. Let me enter some small number 8. So m is smaller than 15. If I will enter some value greater than like 20, greater than 15, then m is greater than 15 and I'm in else block. So this was if else block. I hope it is clear to you. Now we have nested if. So what is nested if and what is its syntax? So syntax of nested if is this. So if this condition 1 is true, then it will go inside it. See the indentation. This is inside this. If condition 2, then this block will be executed. So a nested if is an if statement that is target of another if statement. Nested if statement means an if statement inside another if statement. Okay, let me take one example of nested if. Suppose I have m equal to 10, a variable is defined. Okay, or I take it, I take suppose if I is equal to 10, and then I am having, okay, let me mark is first if statement. Now I have if I is less than 15. So this is another nested if statement. Then I would print I is smaller than 15. Okay, now I have again a if statement. If I is less than 12, then you print I is smaller than 12 too, and I take else correspond to this if else print I is greater than 15. Okay, let me execute this. So I is 10, it will go here, and okay, let me run it. I was declared as 10. If I equal to 10, okay, let me write something here. Print first if statement. So here I equal to 10, so this is executed. Now value of I is 10, which is less than 15. So this is executed. Then again this condition is checked. I is smaller than 12 too. This is printed. So I hope this nested if is also clear to you. Then we have if else ladder statement. Okay. Syntax of if else ladder is if this condition then this statement will be executed. Else if, so I can have multiple else if here. I can paste and then else will execute. Okay, let me give one example. So suppose if I have a number I equal to 20. So if I equal to 20, this double equal to means comparison. If I do equal to 20, then it will be start assignment operator. Print, okay, I is 10. Similarly, I can put elif. So I can give multiple condition by using elif. Elif, I need to give condition here. I equal to 15. Then print I is 15. One elif I can also give. I equal to 30. Then I value is 30. Or I can write else print I is not present. Okay, let me execute this one. I 10, 15, 20. Okay, I is not present because, or I can write I value is not equal to else I value is not equal to 10, 15 and 30. This will be a good thing. Okay, let me change it to 30. Now check. I is 30. It went into this. If I change I value to some value that is not between 10, 15 and 30, I value is not equal to 10, 15 and 30. So in this way, I can put multiple condition. It's like a case statement you can also see in another other languages. So I hope if then else are clear to you. Now in upcoming videos, we will discuss more thing like using or and condition with if. More complex thing I will explain in the upcoming video for conditional statement. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Take care. Thank you.